안녕 여러분! In this video we're gonna learn piip irregular. If you watched my previous video about Korean present tense or how to conjugate Korean verbs, adjectives or passive verbs, then you heard me saying about Korean irregular letters, especially mostly consonants. In Korean there are 7 irregular letters. piip irregular, 디귿, 시옷, 리을, 르, 으, 히읗. We are going to learn each irregular one by one, but in today's video we're gonna learn and focus only on piip irregular. So the first rule you have to know about piip irregular is if the last letter of a word is piip, then piip changes to u when adding a vowel. Second, after that we add o and it gets merged into wa. For example, 귀엽다, to be cute. We eliminate the end in ta, and also we take the stem and eliminate piip. So it'll be 귀여 plus u plus o, and it'll be 귀여워. It's in casual speech. In polite one, this word will be 귀여워요. Actually, it gets a little bit tricky, but for example, if you didn't know all these rules about piip irregular and someone gave you just simply a word, 귀엽다, then you would probably conjugate it into 귀여워요, which is, oh my gosh, completely incorrect. Formal one is a little bit different than casual and polite, so you just have to take a stem with piip, so it'll be 귀엽 and plus 씁니다, and it'll be 귀엽습니다. Now let's just practice a little bit. 쉽다, to be easy. 쉬워, 쉬워요, 쉽습니다. 부드럽다, to be soft. 부드러워, 부드러워요, 부드럽습니다. 눕다, to lie down. 누워, 누워요, 눕습니다. 고맙다, to thank. 고마워, 고마워요, 고맙습니다. 새롭다, to be new. 새로워, 새로워요, 새롭습니다. But as always, there are these annoying exceptions. These are 덥다, to help, and 곱다, to be beautiful. Let's look at 덥다 first. So according to all of the rules that we've learned in this video, if someone gave to you the word 덥다, then you would probably conjugate it into 더워. But it's not that easy. In casual, this verb will be conjugated into 더워, in polite, 더워요, and in formal, 덥습니다. And next phrase, I guess you heard in some K-drama, or I don't know where, but I'm pretty sure that you heard it, is 도와주세요. It means please help me. Now let's look at 곱다. 곱다 is conjugated similarly to 덥다. So it'll be 고와, 고와요, 곱습니다. But now things are gonna get even trickier. Let's look at common words where this rule does not apply. These words are called regular words. 잡다, to catch. Instead of conjugating it into something like 차워, we must not eliminate piip and conjugate it as usual. So it'll be 잡아, 잡아요, 잡습니다. 좁다, to fold. 좁어, 좁어요, 좁습니다. 좁다, to be narrow. 좁아, 좁아요, 좁습니다. 넓다, to be wide. 넓어, 넓어요, 넓습니다. 짚다, to pick up. 짚어, 짚어요, 짚습니다. 입다, to wear clothes. 입어, 입어요, 입습니다. Well, that's not all. Let's look at some more. 뽑다, to pull out, extract. 뽑아, 뽑아요, 뽑습니다. 업다, to carry someone on one's back. 업어, 업어요, 업습니다. 씹다, to chew. 씹어, 씹어요, 씹습니다. Now let's look at the word 곱다 again. We already covered in this video that it means to be beautiful, but it also means to be numb from coldness. And here's the tricky thing. When the word 곱다 means to be beautiful, it is conjugated as 고와, 고와요, 곱습니다. But when it means to be numb from coldness, it is conjugated as 고바, 고바요, 곱습니다. But good news is that nowadays, no one is using 곱다 in the meaning of to be numb from coldness. Even the word 곱다 in the meaning to be beautiful gives some kind of Joseon dynasty feeling. And that's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. In next video, we're gonna learn 디귿 irregular. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, to click on the bell. And if you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below. 안녕, 그럼 다음에 또 봐.